Hey everybody, it's Ryan. I want to give you a quick overview of this Magic stainless steel cleaner and polish. I can tell you with 100% certainty, this thing is a game changer if you want something that's easy, streak-free, and just does what it's supposed to do. And so this just happens to be a stainless steel, and it's not a stainless steel dishwasher. It's not one of the ones that's like streak-free. But check this out. So you might notice here on this side, it's nice and shiny. And then over here, not so much. You can see some of the, the watermarks and all this stuff. But look at the reflection difference here versus this side. Well, that's just because I just knocked this out. And so you can literally see a visible difference. It's almost like looks almost like a camera, trickery type thing. But this is like legit shiny, not shiny. So all you got to do with this is literally spray and wipe. And so I just want to kind of show how this actually works. It's pretty cool stuff. So check this out. All right, so you can see here that has it just kind of sprayed it on. It's pretty easy to spray. I'm just taking a regular cotton rag, and then you're supposed to go up and down in this situation. You want to follow the grain, if you will, of the stainless steel. As you probably saw me starting out, I was going in a circle. You're not really supposed to do that if you want to get the best finish, but straight up and down. So you're kind of following the grain, if you will, of the stainless steel. And you can kind of go back and buff it a little bit. But now notice how this side matches from a sheen standpoint. I mean, now those water spots and whatever that was there, fingerprints and all that stuff, is gone. So if you are looking for a stainless steel cleaner, polisher, obviously it does both. Super, super, super easy to use. That's just important to me, and it does the job. Hope this helps.